Another late broadcast, Buffy, look at the screen. You're the brightest thing that this studio's ever seen. I'm checking my tie, I'm fluffing my hair, acting like I don't feel the static in the air. Between my golden tan and your political poise, I'm losing my swagger, I'm losing my voice. So Buffy, the teleprompter lied, there's a whole different script I'm keeping inside, beyond the headlines and the polished glass. I'm just a man watching the late hours pass. Your small pearl necklace catches the studio light. Your gold frame glasses, oh what a sight. In the cold blue monitors your pink blazer glows, while I'm driving home alone where the cold wind blows. That news desk between us feels 1,000 miles wide. Oh Buffy, the teleprompter lied, there's a whole different script I'm keeping inside, beyond the headlines and the polished glass. I'm just a man watching the late hours pass. Woo! I'm just a man watching the late hours pass.